Good morning, students. Today we will start with Theorem 6. Let us prove Theorem 6. Theorem 6 states that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So what is given? That ABCD is a parallelogram whose diagonals AC and BD intersect at point O. We have to prove that these diagonals bisect each other. Means we have to prove that OA equals to OC and OB equals to OD. Now since ABCD is a parallelogram, therefore AB is parallel to DC cut by transversal AC. Therefore angle 1 equals to angle 2, alternate interior angles. Similarly, since AB is parallel to DC cut by transversal BD, therefore angle 3 equals to angle 4, again alternate interior angles. In triangle AOB and triangle COD, angle 1 equals to angle 2 from 1, AB equals to CD, opposite sides of a parallelogram, and angle 3 equals to angle 4 from 2. Therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD by ASA congruency rule. Therefore, OA equals to OC and OB equals to OD by CPCT. Hence, the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Now let us prove Theorem 7. According to this theorem, if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, then it is a parallelogram. So what is given? That ABCD is a quadrilateral whose diagonals AC and BD intersect at O such that OA equals to OC and OB equals to OD. We have to prove that this quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. So let us now prove it. Now let us take this triangles OAB and triangle OCD. It is given OA equals to OC. Now angle AOB equals to angle COD, vertically opposite angles, and side OB equals to OD. It is also given. Therefore, the two triangles are congruent by SAS, side angle side congruency rule. Therefore, angle BAO equals to angle DCO by CPCT, and we can write angle BAO and DCO as angle BAC and DCA. But angle BAC and DCA are alternate interior angles formed when transversal AC intersects AB at C and CD at C. Therefore, AB is parallel to DC. Now, in triangle OAD and OCB, we have OA equals to OC given. Angle DOA equals to angle BOC, vertically opposite angles, and OD equals to OB given. Therefore, the two triangles are congruent by again SAS congruency rule. Therefore, angle ADO equals to angle CBO by CPCT. We can write down this angle ADO and CBO as angle ADB and CBD. Therefore, angle ADB equals to angle CBD. But angle ADB and CBD are alternate interior angles. Therefore, AD is parallel to BC. So, from 1 and 2, that is AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC, we can conclude that ABCD is a parallelogram. Hence, a quadrilateral whose diagonals bisect each other is a parallelogram. Now, let us prove Theorem 8, which states that a quadrilateral is a parallelogram if a pair of opposite sides is equal and parallel. So what is given? That ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB equals to CD and AB is parallel to DC. It is given that a pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel. So we have taken here as AB parallel to DC and AB equal to DC. We have to prove that quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Now let us prove it. Since AB is parallel to DC given, cut by transversal AC. Therefore, angle BAC, this angle, is equal to angle DCA, alternate interior angles. Now in triangle ABC and triangle CDA, AB equals to DC given, angle BAC equals to angle DCA from 1 which we have just found out, and AC equals to AC common. Therefore, the two triangles are congruent by SAS congruency rule, side angle side congruency rule. Therefore, angle BCA, this angle BCA equals to angle DAC. This angle is equal to BCA equals to angle DAC. But what do we find? That these two angles are again alternate interior angles. Therefore, BC is parallel to AD. Now, AB is parallel to DC and BC is parallel to AD. Therefore, ABCD is a parallelogram. Hence, proved. So, students, write down these in your copy and practice it thoroughly. Thank you.